Welcome back to Did You Know? Have you ever woken up in the morning, reached for your eyes, and felt those little crusty bits in the corners? Some people call it eye sand, sleepy dust, or even eye boogers. But did you know that this crust is actually a special shield that protects your eyes while you dream? To understand this, we have to look at your tears. Most people think tears are just water, but they are actually a complex recipe. Your tears are made of 3 layers: water, oil, and mucus. Every time you blink during the day, your eyelids spread this mixture across your eyes to keep them wet and wash away dust. But here is the problem. When you go to sleep, you stop blinking. Because your eyes stay still for hours, that mixture of oil and mucus starts to settle and dry out. This process is fascinating, isn't it? If you like this content, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any video. We have so many more body secrets to share with you. Now, back to the science. As that oil and mucus dry out, they trap dust, dead skin cells, and tiny bits of dirt that landed on your eye during the day. By the morning, it has hardened into the sand you feel when you wake up. Scientists call this mixture Rheum. Did you know that the texture of your sleepy dust can tell you about your health? If it is dry and crusty, that is perfectly normal. It just means your eyes stayed shut all night. But if it is wet and sticky, it might mean your eyes are trying to fight off a tiny bit of irritation or an allergy. Think of it like a nighttime cleaning crew. While you're resting, your eyes are busy collecting all the trash from the day and moving it to the corners so you can wash it away in the morning. It's a tiny daily miracle that keeps your vision clear and your eyes safe from infection.
It's so refreshing.
So the next time you wash your face in the morning, remember that eye sand was your body's way of guarding your sight while you slept. Thanks for watching this episode of Did You Know? And we will see you in the next video.
Like, share, and hit the bell so you never miss a Biobeatstune video.